The most e-commerce brands are losing money on Google AdWords not because their ads are bad, but because their budget math is wrong from day one. I have audited thousands of Google AdWords accounts for the past 17 years and the same 3 budget mistakes show up every single time. Burning money before the algorithm even learns, spreading thin across too many campaigns, and panic spending in Q4 when it's already too late. In the next 5 minutes, I am giving you the exact framework we use at Softrix to plan profitable Google AdWords budget with real 2025 and 2026 benchmark data. This is the stuff our client pay us to build for them. You are getting it free today. So let's go. Before you touch Google Ads, you need one number, your break-even ROAS. The formula 100 divided by your gross margin percentage, 30% margin, your break-even ROAS is 3.33. 50% margin, your break-even ROAS is 2.0. Why does this matter? Because a 4-time ROAS sounds amazing until you realize a 30% margin product only leaves you $200 profit after the ad spend. You are barely surviving. Even budget decision you make has to be anchored above that break-even number. Write it down right now before you open your ads account. Here is where the industry actually sits right now. Across 18,000 e-commerce brands analyzed, so average Google AdWords ROAS is in 2025 was 3.68 overall. But the break-even is where it gets real. Search campaigns 5.17 ROAS, Performance Max 2.57 ROAS. The average CPA climbed 12% year over year to $23.74. The CPCs are rising. Competition is up. A budget that was profitable 2 years ago may not be enough today. Category benchmarks to benchmark yourself against: fashion and apparel $15 to $25 CPA, electronics $20 to $40 CPA, home good $20 to $45, health and beauty $15 to $35. If your CPA is above these ranges, it's not a budget problem, it's an account structure problem. More money won't fix it. Here is the most common question we get: what's the right starting budget? Google Smart Bidding needs 30 conversions per month per campaign to optimize properly. Below that, it's guessing. So the formula is simple. Minimum budget is equals to target CPA multiplied by $30 CPA target. That will be $900 per month per campaign running 3 campaigns. That's $2,700 per month minimum. For brands starting from 0, the data supported range for 2026 is $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Below $1,000, your campaigns stay in the learning phase permanently and the results stay inconsistent. UK businesses, that's approximately 1,200 to 2,500 pounds per month. One mindset shift that changes everything. Your first 60 days are not about profit, they are about building the conversion data that trains the algorithm. Accept a slightly worse ROAS in month 1. Collects is the assets you are actually investing in. Total budget set. So now how do you allocate it? Here is the framework. 50 to 60% goes to bottom funnel, search on transactional keywords, standard shopping on your proven products, highest intent, highest return on investment. 25 to 30%, that is the mid funnel, broader match search plus the remarketing list for local remarketing. People who visited your product pages and are searching again, bid aggressively on them. 10 to 15%, that is the top funnel, demand gen, the YouTube on the tighter budgets. Cut this entirely until bottom funnel is consistently profitable. On the Performance Max, run it alongside the standard shopping, not instead of it. Shopping gives you product level control on your best sellers. PMax is the new launches, seasonal inventory, and the net new audiences. They are complementary, not competing. Here is the full framework in 30 seconds. Calculate break-even ROAS before you spend a single dollar. Set budget to to hit 30 conversions per month per campaign. Split 50 to 60% of the bottom funnel, 25 to 30% on the mid, 10 to 15% on the top. Run standard shopping and the PMAX together. Start seasonal ramp ups 3 to 4 weeks earlier, not the week of. If you want us to audit your current budget and tell you exactly what's wrong, link is in the description. We do this every day for e-commerce brands across the US, UK and UAE. If this gave you one number you did not have before, so like the video, subscribe and drop your product category in the comments. We read every single one and then we will reply. See you in the next one.